Hey everyone, this is Lori, and I am back with another video about another way to make money online. This is passive recurring monthly income with Kidazzler. So what is Kidazzler? Kidazzler is basically a porthole for parents, or a directory for parents to find anything kid related or kid friendly. Okay, so it's like I used to see business directories where you can find all kinds of businesses. Same thing, but this is more directed towards kid-friendly businesses and activities. Now, how do you make money with this? Okay, so right now it's for invitation only. And what you want to do is get a link, and I'm providing you a link in the description of this video, as well as out on my website right here. This is my invitation code. So if you join through my link, and I hope you do because this is really cool, be sure to put my invitation code so we can be linked together. Okay? And for those who join through me, I'm going to be providing you with some pointers that I've learned so far that has really helped me. Okay, so basically what they're offering is a shared revenue model. So basically, members that join have access to their website. It's a private porthole where we find businesses all throughout the United States. So this is geared for the US for now. They're saying they want to go globally, but in order to for now, what I understand is that if you're in the U.S., you can only add businesses in the U.S., but you're not limited to the state that you live in. Okay? So that is awesome. Alright, so as a member, what you'll do is you'll go out and find businesses, add those businesses to the directory, so they're locked in. And what that means is whatever business you add, it's locked in and linked to you. So when Kidazzler goes out and reaches out to those businesses and invites them to advertise in their directory, you'll get part of the shared revenue, which is up to $10 per month. Okay? And it's unlimited. I have spoken with the support. They're very good. Initially, I was a little worried because I wasn't hearing back from them, but today I've heard back from them several times. They've answered all my questions, so I was really happy to see that. Okay, so right now it's in phase 1, and it will be in phase 1 until March 31st. So there's plenty of time for members to join, and there's plenty of time to add businesses. But as Kidazzler becomes more known and it's being promoted as a way to make money, it's going to be more difficult to find those businesses that haven't already been locked in. So now's the time to join, so you can add those businesses, get them locked into you, and then when in phase 2, once Kidazzler starts inviting those companies to advertise on the Kidazzler directory, that's when you can start generating a revenue, and it will be monthly recurring revenue. Now, the other thing that's really cool is those who you invite, you get $2 for every business that they have locked in that is also advertising. Okay, so not only do you get the potential of $10 per business that you locked in, you get $2 for every member that you invited, for every member that, or for every business that they are advertising on, or are advertising on Kidazzler. So this is an opportunity to make a passive recurring income into the thousands. Okay, so I'm not claiming that you can make a lot of money, but I'm claiming that the potential is very, very good here. Okay? And I'm pretty excited. So it's going to be a while before you actually see any income because it's in such the early stages. Okay, so we're looking at adding the businesses until March 31st, 2019. Then Kidazzler is going to reach out, and they may decide to start reaching out to these businesses before that. So things can change. But once those businesses start advertising, they'll launch it out to the general public, start getting members, to join, parents with kids to join and start using their directory. So they're going to have an app and a website, okay, for both the members and the parents who join to use the directory. I prefer using the website because it's much easier to add the information, and I'm going to show you that in just a minute. So this is my article that I've posted. As you can see, I've got a date up here, and I'm going to continue to update it on a regular basis as I learn more and as I get more information from the Kidazzler support. As I have questions, then I'll update it. Okay, so you want to check back regularly to see what changes I've had. So if you see a different date than when you were on my site the last time, then you know I've added some stuff. Okay, so this part talks about phase 1 and phase 2. And then down here, here's a quick video that will explain it. This is my link to join. Okay, and then here's a few pointers that I learned very early on. Okay, so what you want to do if you join is you want to enter the phone number first. Okay, and I'll show you why. If somebody is already locked in this business associated with this phone number, you'll get this message, oops, looks like this business is already locked in Kidazzler, try locking in another one. Okay, so do that first. That way you don't waste your time filling in all this other information and then find out it's already locked in by somebody else. Okay, and I also suggest that you test the phone number, call the business to make sure that they're still open. Okay, and if they have a website, this is the information that you want to add: the business name, the phone number, the address, the town, state, city, or city, town, state, and postal code, and then what it is. Okay, so if it's say hair, or I meant to say hair. So if it's related to kids' haircuts, you can put haircut or salon or just whatever it is. So you can just type in a few and then see what comes up, and then pick the one that's closest to it. So here's some examples: soccer class, ballet class, museum, play center, party character, daycare center, math tutor, art classes. So this is massive. There are going to be thousands and thousands of businesses added. Okay, so there is plenty to go around. So the more you add, the more potential you have of earning a monthly income from this. And again, this is going to be passive monthly income, recurring income. Okay, so if you have an email, that's great. Website, that's great. As you can see, that's all optional. The main thing is they really need the phone number, and it needs to be correct. Okay, now let's see, add a business. So far, I currently have the potential of earning $210. But one thing I do want to point out, let's say you put in 100 businesses. Realistically, not all 100 businesses are going to opt to pay for advertisement on Kidazzler. So that's why you want to add as many as you can, because a percentage of them will opt in to advertise on a monthly basis, and then some of them won't. Okay? And then here is, just some examples of what you can look for. Here's some mobile examples, but they're not limited to just this. Okay? It could be anything. that's related to kids, kid-friendly restaurants, and things like that. Activities, amusement parks, just all kinds of things. Okay, so this is my porthole. This is my private porthole. Okay, and when you sign up, what you'll do is you'll verify your email address. Okay, so you want to make sure you put in a good email address. Look for an email so you can verify it, and then you'll get another email that's inviting you to download the app. Okay, and then you'll get a link to the website. So if you're out and about and you see a place that you want to see if it's been added, you can get their information and add it in the mobile app. You know, if you're at home and you want to use your computer, you can just do it on your laptop or your desktop, your iPad or tablet or whatever device you have. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my... Alright, so currently it's in phase 1, so there's going to be a while before they are ready to launch to the general public. So during phase 1, we're adding the businesses, and Kidazzler is also working on their payment part of it, of how we're going to get paid. Okay? So they're working on their own proprietary payment infrastructure. We'll be able to get paid through direct deposit to our bank accounts, in-store redemption to some stores, gift cards, and hopefully they'll be adding like something like PayPal, Payoneer, Payza, stuff like that. Okay? So there's a lot of work that they're working on their end as well. Okay? So then once this starts, and you know, it's just unlimited. I'm really excited about this. And I hope that you will consider joining through my link. Again, I'm going to be helping the people that join through me. And because there are some things that I've learned that you can do that will help the process a little bit more, a little bit quicker. Okay? So please like, subscribe, and share. Please join. Once you join, reach out to me. Let me know that you're going to be my downline. And we can work together on helping each other and getting you set up and ready to go, and so you're ready to make some money. All right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to bookmark this site. Come out. Check it out every so often. Like I said, I will be updating it with the most up-to-date information. If you have any questions, leave me a comment on either the YouTube video or a comment on down below this article, or you can contact me through my website as well. So thanks for watching. Good luck, and let's make some money with Kidazzler. Thanks for watching.